Hello y'all, today I'm going to make a very easy chocolate lava cake. We're just going to use a regular chocolate cake mix, some chocolate chips, and some instant pudding, chocolate pudding. So stay tuned and watch the video. So for this, we're going to go ahead and start by making our chocolate cake. Just like the directions say back there, mix it up. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up my cake, and I'll bring y'all back. Alright, for this, we got a cast iron Dutch oven, but you can use what you have. Now we've went ahead and we've mixed up our cake mix, and we're just going to go ahead and dump that in there. You're going to see how simple this is. Super, super simple. Let's just go ahead and get all our cake mix in there. And I did lightly grease this, just to throw that out there. Alright, so now we got a instant pudding, chocolate pudding. We're going to go ahead, and we're just going to dump this in. We also have an 11-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Okay, so we're going to take our chocolate chips, and we're just going to dump them on in. Alright, so now we're just going to take this. We don't want to mix it too much, we just want to fold that all in together. Okay, now we're going to stick this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees and let it bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's done. We'll bring you back at that point. Alright y'all, it took about 40 minutes. We've went ahead and we've scooped some out. Now this isn't going to be cutting, this is going to be a scooping. We've scooped some out, put it on a bowl, and we've sprinkled some powdered sugar over it. Simple as that. And go ahead and cook this up and enjoy.